Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food, you'll get it. If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. Today on the menu, I'm having curry blue crab with white rice, and I'm going to enjoy it. I'm assuming I'm going to enjoy it. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, whenever this video catches you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, had something wonderful to eat, and thank you for joining me for this delicious meal. Ooh. I'm gonna go with the rice first. I have some extra sauce, because I like a lot of sauce. And I'm going to tell you guys about something that happened to me for the first time. I'm not liking Babe right now. I'm going to start with that. Now, I'm pretty sure you watched a few videos, you realize why I'm starting with that. I'm going to take a bite. Very spicy. No, crab is not good without a little bit of spice. I know that. It's just spicy. No, reason why I'm not liking Babe right now. Babe did something to me that she said, I mean, she's tried it before. It's never worked, you know? And she said she would never do it to me. Ever. That's a pepper guy. But she did it. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm trying to gather myself. I'm gonna put a clip of what she did. Just take a look.
Has to be very comfortable for this shit, right? I want it to rock and be nice. Prank is, I'm gonna tell Babe I came up with a mukbang for us to do. I already invited it. There's no cancel it. I invited 2 girls, 2 guys over here. For the mukbang, she's gonna blindfold me and I'm gonna kiss all 4 of them, including her, to figure out who my spouse is. I'm gonna go in, guys. I'm gonna tell her, yo, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna slapping on them. Look, Babe is a hard girl to trick. We don't know if she's even gonna call me when she's downstairs. She do not follow instruction. We'll see. Guys, stay tuned. Like the video if you want to see more pranks like this. Just like the video. We're gonna see what's up. I would say I'm nervous, but I'm not. This has been a dream of mine. Now listen, look.
To you guys, that may have been funny. I'm pretty sure. It was really funny. You know what? I must admit though, after I calmed down, it was a good one. Yeah, listen, she got me. It was a good one. But let's not forget the point here. She said she would never do it.
In my defense.
No. We are not taking any defenses over here. No. Blame it on you too. Babe pranked me. Now, as I said, the prank was a good one. I didn't see it. Usually, I see these things from a mile away. And I'm like, you know what? Let's not go there. This one, it missed me. And I think because we always talk about it and said that we would never do it. So I'm like, okay, that phase that she usually have is over. It's done. We're not doing it no more. This crab is so spicy, but it's so good. Look at this, guys. Oh, lost it in the sauce. Look at that. Okay. Now, after Babe did the prank and I found out it was a prank, I was mad. I'm not even gonna lie, genuinely, I was really pissed off. Because, first off, this is where it threw me off. She invited people over. I'm like, what? I'm like, where? I don't know what's going on. I was a bit confused when she said she invited. Listen, my mind went crazy. And then she said, we're gonna play a game, cause it's gonna make it fun and stuff. And she's gonna go around kissing people. I'm like, okay, alright. I don't know where we going or what we doing, but I shut down. I'm not even gonna. I shut down. I was out of sight, out of mind. I wasn't even there. After that, I left. Mentally, I left. You guys saw me there physically, but mentally, I wasn't even there. Oh, my nose running. Guys, I'm trying to talk to you guys while I'm eating this crab, but this crab is so good. So I came back though, but it was after the camera was turned off and everything, and then I found out it was a prank. I don't know, I'm happy she felt sorry for me. Because looking back at it right now, I felt sorry for myself. So I'm happy Babe felt sorry for me and decided like, okay, I've taken it too far. Let me stop. Because Babe is looking like a sad puppy right now. So yeah. Let's cut it right here. And to be honest, when she said it was a prank, I still was mad. I still was. We literally had to sit down for like an hour. Before I actually came to and was like, oh, it was actually pretty good. Those were like my first words, you know. Guys, you should get you some blue crab. that meat. Look at all that meat. Mm. Guys, I'm leaving this one for baby because unfortunately I did not share with her. And you know what? I don't even know if I should feel bad that I didn't share with her at this moment in time. I'm thinking about it. I haven't seen baby's first prank. It's the last video that we did. The link will be in the description box below. Go over there and show her some love for her first prank, even though it was pissed as shit. But she did good. This one's a little smaller. I'm having fun with this food. I'm gonna take one more bite and that's it. Hopefully. Look at all that meat. Hey guys. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like this video. If you made it this far, don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think. First off, about baby's prank video, and second of all, about this blue crab, curry blue crab and white rice. It was really, really spicy. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. Until next time, I might be reacting to more pranks, but I'm not sure. I'm crossing my fingers that that's not the case. So, we'll see. So, until next time, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.